Malungit sila ko kami rohoy, ang akawilaw ni rangoy, akong malum sao, netun in na TMC. May kagid ako ksub, mo sa announcer sales. Mako tebo kung we were tel sub, den nga ultob den nga National Emergency Management Office. The National Weather Service Office in Irai has reported that a surface trough will help keep showers in Palau. Synoptic observations show nearly 3.5 inches of rainfall in the past 24 to 36 hours, and yet another 2 to 4 inches is possible through Tuesday. With some of the heavier showers and thunderstorm, briefly stronger gusts of up to 29 miles per hour will be possible. This means that we will continue to expect windier conditions of up to 29 miles per hour, which may increase during periods of rainfall. Moderate to heavy rainfall and thunderstorms will possibly continue onto Tuesday. The amount of rainfall this past weekend has already reached 3.5 inches, and it is possible to receive 2 to 4 inches more by Tuesday. Due to the amount of rainfall, the chances of landslides and mudslides are possible. Due to this forecast weather system, the Republic of Palau is issued the Marine Advisory System Small Craft Advisory White Flag. A National Emergency Management Office, NEMO, masub darabal wasangan nga teelle la seselyolt lang arabor de 29 miles per hour. E dire kalulklo at teelle la ul esmisi adatelayolta. El altam emlamer de selb elele wal banderang la Small Craft Advisory and morabulur belaw. Agam maklat kara dal wase mo tangan ngut maklamawri rablim maer tergaw mangidin masabsab al klal al sabel matamal malubeng tomal langot al klal maraat. Agi dire kalo maklat kalo wase o mo makal lebom soro epkart hotel lam limiw mobius am damiw langan nga tele lamat slide malan slide. Yalangan nga karmiw emotangan mo katong ara nemo ra 587-6366. Direct Twitter Public Advisory, ya Palau Public Utility Corporation, PPUC, although the announcement, tirate elela o kodalela dengi, direct loling itrabway, luase, katmok na mawari rablimiw, mangidin nga rin masabsero, at sabel tomal laseng nga dengi. A PPUC direct mga leerabway, maobis na government, matakay nga se, urukot mo klablid, maobis tergit, mangidin equipment, talos pe adengi, malakal matamal, malube bol luula accessible. Yalangan yatan malala dengi, sangra dengi basira, malube nga rin nga karim, emutangan mo kadong na PPUC Customer Service, ra 488-3870, malubeng 488-3872. Ang Bureau of Revenue and Taxation, a director of Bureau of Revenue and Taxation, na soldi mo telteal, ay sarabwal mong tamla o mul, publish a release a tax circulars. Totob na tax circulars, tiling sorry na blakatak, transparent tulong luse, la isa la Bureau of Revenue and Taxation. Yalang nga rin nga karmi, yung mamakadong, na 488-2465-2580, malubing 3031. Elay gagi da kuksub de lolto da Palau Ministry of Health and Human Services MHHS algiral sel weekly schedule for COVID centers. Makluko ko Tuesday May 10 ang open ra 8 dorin mo 11 dori ang open mar travelers mar community members. A Wednesday nga May 11 ang open na 9 dorin mo 11 dori ang maldi more ticket travelers. A Thursday at the close. Ya Friday and May 13, at open na 8 dorin mo 11 dori, travelers, mar community members as in mo test. Ya Sabado on May 14, at open na 8 dorin mo 10 dori, al kumal ditrigal travelers. Ya somin mo test, is still COVID testing center, ang ara Old Morgue area, rab Estel Hospital, Palau National Hospital, and ni ang ara Miyuns. Belat yagi da kukmosub dal gilela, kamaldilin nga maran ilal weekend. Ang nga kamaldile la Kyomi Mitaro el morngira May 14 el Sabado ng sils todra Palau Funeral Home ra 8 o'clock ra tutaw mora para miyuns ang arse mga maldin magtasils mo tulukul ra nga kabasang malway say gagita ko klo subem nos etov del alsils kung man masulang ang net tune in, please drive safe, kung man maknitayang at emautakang mo o kutmok lang maori rablimiw, may kilo ka masabseb, malakal lako matamal, malangal yung matamal, kung man masulang.